Probably cost me about $160. Do you think it was worth it? I've got my Tracer 900 GT here. I'm going to swap out the mirrors today. These work fantastic. They're great mirrors, but you know what? I just want to try something different. So I think it'll change the look of the bike in general, having mirrors come off the sides. So let's see how we go.
Silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle whispers of disarray.
So it was probably a bit fiddlier than I first anticipated. Had to make some adjustments to get the mirrors on to the bike. It's come up really well, couldn't be happier. I feel like it's really changed the look of the bike. It's made it really sporty. I've actually sat on the bike, had a look into the mirrors. They are quite effective as well. They've got a blue anti-glare mirror lens on them. So I'm looking forward to getting out on the road and seeing what happens next. All up, probably cost me about $160. Do you think it was worth it?